Hi there. This is the story of Bitmine Immersion, ticker symbol BMNR. Right now, the market cap is about $14 billion and the price around $50 per share. And the most important question is whether this company is a great investment at the current market cap and price, if you can make 10x in the next 5 years. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and you'll find the answer. Now, to understand my answer, you have to look at their business and how they achieved this market cap of 14 billion when the revenue is only $3 million. Was $3 million for 2024 and a loss over 3 million. So how come they achieved this market cap over 14 billion and some people expect the market cap to 10x in the future, or at least 3x? Well, if you look at their balance sheet, they own 3.2 million Ethereum coins, and the value based on their reported price, 13 billion. And now we compare their value, 13 billion, with the current market cap is close. And that's why market cap is so high, and also the price. Now, the Ethereum price has declined a little if you check it right now. And if you do again the math, based on their holdings, the value is about 12.9 billion. So close to 13 billion. Not much of a big difference. Plus, they also own some Bitcoin, 192, where the value is lower, 21.6 million. They also have some cash, and according to their statement, their total assets are about 13.4 billion. And now compare the assets, real assets, because they can sell it. They can sell it anytime. They sell it, they liquidate their position, 13.4 billion. Compare this amount with the current market cap, it's about the same. So, it's worth investing in this company? Well, here it depends. Because some people think that these holdings will increase more in the future, and so the market cap and price. Right now, based on their statements, they own 2.7% of all Ethereum, supply Ethereum coin. Now, and they plan to reach 5%, to own 5% of Ethereum. This means from this level, almost a double. And if you also assume that for the market cap from this level to have also a double in their market cap. And also the price. Can this happen? Ask yourself. You can also have a double in the stock price. Here is a big if. Now, they also, if you read their statements, they latest statement on October 20th, they are backed by great investors, ARK, Cathy Wood, Bill Miller, and others. Tom Lee, of course, the founder. Now, let me show you something quite interesting. Quite interesting. Just check. Go on Google Finance or Yahoo Finance and check on August 1st the market cap and the price. Market cap back then was about $3.4 billion. And the price, $13 per share, 13.68 on August 1st. And compare these numbers with the current market cap and price, October 24th. Market cap, 14 billion, so an increase of 4x in just a few months from August to October 20th. And price, $50, but the increase was only 1.6x. And why is that? Should have been the same thing, 4x in market cap and 4x in the stock price. Like investors got only a return around 60%, from $41 to $50, or more than that. Well, here is the thing that the management don't tell investors about, and you've been lied so far. Well, also other people who promote this company. Here is the thing. If you check their number of shares, for the moment, you don't see it. 40 million, 22, 49 million, 23, 50 million, 24. A small increase. But for the next quarters, be prepared to see a huge increase in the number of shares. Because when you see that the market cap goes up 4x and the price only 1.6, this means they issued a lot of shares and you have dilution. I mean, ask yourself, how did they get all that money to buy 3.2 million Ethereum worth 14 billion? How come? And the price 4K. How come they raised so money to buy Ethereum? Because if you look at the revenue, only 3 million and a loss of 3 million. So they had no money. What did they do? Well, they issued a lot of shares to buy Ethereum. They also issued preferred shares and so on. And here is the thing. When they issue a lot of shares, you have dilution. Yes, the market cap goes up because they increase their holdings, but the price stays almost flat. If you check it over the last 1 month or 2 months, you see almost flat. Just a small increase, 1.6. And this is the biggest risk that most investors fail to understand. And they will continue, as I said. They have plans to increase from 2.7, what they own of Ethereum, to 5%. This means they will continue to issue even more shares. Because at the current market cap for this company, Bitmine Immersion, is quite advantageous to issue more shares, raise money from the public market, investor like us, and buy more Ethereum. Because when the market cap is high, they can raise a lot of money. But the price may be flat or go down in the long term. And this is value destruction for shareholders, especially shareholders who are buying right now or bought in the past, a few months ago. Because you see it in the price. Not much big difference. Market cap 4x and the price only 1.6x. And your return will depend on the price, not on the market cap. Because you buy the shares right now, let's say they have 50 million, but if they double the number of shares to 100 million or 200, you lost half in value. And this is the biggest risk that, as I said, most investors fail to understand. Now, this is the first thing, dilution. Many people want to understand this because they say the value of Ethereum will go up. Yes, that may happen. But again, the risk is quite high. You can easily have a 50% drop in the value of this company, market cap and also price. And another thing is, pay attention to the average price they pay for Ethereum, 4K. If you have a drop in Ethereum from 4K to 2K, then your value from 14 billion goes in half, 6.5 billion. And what does it mean? A decline of 50% from this level, market cap and price. the price can go to $25. And if on top of this, you also add a dilution, future dilution, because they will say Ethereum is undervalued, the decline in the price will be even higher than 50%. So investing in this company, I have to open the box and show you the answer, is no. The answer is no. If you invest right now, you take the biggest, the hugest risk. Just check for yourself and think for yourself why the market cap went up 4x and the price only 1.6x. Why is that? Just ask for yourself. This is a scam, and it will end badly for investors, especially for investors who buy right now at the highest price and highest valuation. Yes, you can tell me I don't know anything about Ethereum, strategy, or crypto in general, but we'll see. Over a longer period, my prediction will come true. Save this video, mark my words, and we'll check it after a while. Now, if you want real investment ideas, great businesses, you can simply go to my profile, press join, and choose Titan Invest. And there you have access to my portfolio. And my performance over the last 4 years, so a longer period, has been 30% a year. And this is a great performance. And on top of this, you also get dividends and buybacks. Plus, you also get access to an investing course, other in-depth analysis at a request. If you want me to analyze another company, I'll do a video only for you. And bonus, access to the previous level Spartan and Gladiator. So, if you want to stop losing money with companies with no revenue almost and a lot of losses, simply go to my profile and join Titan Investor. See you there.